Hello and welcome. This video will discuss asking a clinical question and using Pico to select keywords. Then your keywords will be connected with and, or, so that you can enter them into library databases such as PubMed. Here's an example. If you had an ideal article, what would be the title? My ideal title would be, "Does whole body vibration improve balance after stroke?" Then break it into Pico pieces or keywords. P, problem, people who have had a stroke. I, intervention, whole body vibration. C, comparison. O, outcome, improved balance. Be specific and pare your question down to the most important words or short phrases. Often you need just 2 to 3 elements of Pico. Think of synonyms or similar terms authors might use. You don't have to think of all of them, just the most likely. Synonyms will be grouped with or, stroke or cerebrovascular accident or CVA. Each piece of your Pico question will be entered into PubMed separately. Stroke, whole body vibration, and balance. Each will be on a different line. Here's a graphic of and, or, and not, your connectors. Or is more. It's used to group similar terms, CVA, or stroke, or cerebrovascular accident. And is used to group different elements of your Pico search. Stroke, and, balance, and whole body vibration. Not is more rarely used. Here's how my search strategy looks in a database with multiple search boxes such as PubMed Advanced Search. One piece of my Pico search goes in each box. That way, my search is easy to edit if I need to add more terms or change them. Here's an example of how I would enter my search in a search engine or database with one search box. Stroke or CVA or cerebrovascular accident grouped with parentheses, and patient education and exercise. Synonyms or similar terms are grouped with or and placed in parentheses. Often, if you leave a space between two words, the search engine will assume you mean and. Now let's navigate to PubMed and get ready to search for articles. To sign in to PubMed through WKU Libraries, go to our home page. You can Google WKU Libraries, click Databases. On the next page, find PubMed and click the link highlighted in yellow. If you're off campus, you'll be asked to sign in with your NetID and password. This action unpaywalls PubMed content. In the next video, I will demonstrate a live search for PubMed. If at any time you need more help, make an appointment with a librarian, call, email, or chat with us. You can also visit us in person at the reference desk. Thank you for watching.